So the way we know in this question that we're dealing with volume is it talks about the filling capacity. When it says how much water will the pond hold, that's a filling capacity concept, so volume. And then also cubic meters means meters cubed. And whenever it's to the third power, we know we're dealing with 3 dimensions, which again is a volume concept. Now, more specifically, they're talking about a cone. So when we pull up the reference document that is provided to us, we can see that the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. So we'll go ahead and write that out. Volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. And let's fill in everything we know about the original pond. So it's currently a cone with a radius of 30 meters, and the depth, aka the height, is 15 meters. I'll fill in the 1/3 and the pi. And then notice we want to increase the radius. So let's go ahead and use a different color. We're talking about a new or larger pond for his backyard. So now we still have the same formula, but notice the radius is now 40 meters and the depth or the height is 20 meters. So if we're trying to figure out how much more will it hold, we're finding the difference between these two volumes. So I like to use my calculator. You can use Desmos instead if you want, but if you do alpha y equals, we can choose that first option to do a horizontal fraction bar. Second and caret is for pi, and then we'll just type all this in. It's usually easier when it's in your hands than on a computer screen, but same idea, just put all this in as we see it. And then notice we get 19,373. Well, they want us to find the amount in thousands of cubic meters. So let's go to the thousands place, which is the 9. The number to the right of it, because it's either a 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, says stay. If it was a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we would have rounded up. So it's going to stay at 19,000, making the correct answer 19.